Hello, kids. How are you? I'm fine. We are going to start a new week. Today is Monday, and we are going to start a new week. That's great. Vamos a empezar una semanita más, chicos. Time flies. El tiempo vuela. Okay? So today we are going to do a listening and reading activity. So pay a lot of attention because I am going to go straight to the book. Okay? See you later. Here we have a boy. His name is Scott, and he asks us a question. What do we do at school? And he says, we go to clubs. Aquí el niño lo que nos pregunta es, ¿qué hacemos en el cole? Y luego responde, vamos a clubs. Clubs es como en el cole, las asignaturas que tenemos extraescolares, todo lo que nos proporciona el colegio después de terminar la jornada lectiva. In San Jose School, for example, there is an English club. There used to be a drama club. En el Cole San José pues tenemos las clases de inglés extraescolares, también había un taller o un club, unas clases de drama. There is also a sport club, también hay un club de deporte. Okay, so this is a club. Clubs are groups of students who meet to do different activities. Okay, so here we are going to read this text, Club News, about a school in Barbados, and the name of the school is Hillside. So here we have some important information about this school, Hillside School in Barbados. Okay, and this is the club news. Este es como un apartado de las noticias de los clubes, ¿verdad? De las diferentes actividades que se realizan después de la jornada lectiva. So, look, there is a steel pen band. Hay como un taller de tambores. There is also a cricket club. También hay un club de cricket. There is a table tennis club. También hay un club de tenis de mesa, de ping-pong. And a cookery club. También hay un taller de cocina. So, this is what children in this school, Hillside School, can do. Okay? So now we are going to listen. All right? Listen and read the newsletter.
Listening 114. Listen and read the newsletter.
Club News. Hillside School, Barbados. Steel Pan Band. Do you like music? Come and join the Steel Pan Band. We meet on Thursdays after lunch in the music room. Everyone is welcome. Cricket Club. We meet on Mondays on the sports field. Please wear sports clothes and bring a hat. Table Tennis Club. We meet on Fridays after lunch in the dining room. Please come early to move the tables and chairs. Cookery Club. Find out about food and make fantastic dinners for your friends and family. Come to the school kitchen after lessons. Wednesdays. Important. There is no drama club today. Mrs. Wilson is in Bridgetown.
All right, so here we have the club news of this school, Hillside School in Barbados. Look at this first club, Steel Pen Band. Es, como os he dicho antes, un taller de tambores. Do you like music? Come and join the Steel Pen Band. We meet on Thursdays after lunch in the music room. Everyone is welcome. Entonces aquí nos dice cuándo se junta este taller, cuándo se reúnen a hacer este taller de tambores. On Thursdays. Okay? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. These are the days of the week. So they meet on Thursdays after lunch in the music room. Pay attention because then you have to do an activity and you have to answer some questions. Let's move to the cricket club. We meet on Mondays on the sports field, and please wear sports clothes and bring a hat. Este entonces es el club de cricket. Y también nos dice cuándo se reúnen. On Mondays, on the sports field. Then we have the table tennis club. We meet on Fridays after lunch in the dining room. Please come early to move the tables and chairs. Aquí se reúnen en el club de ping-pong. And they meet on Fridays after lunch in the dining room. And the cookery club. Find out about food and make fantastic dinners to your friends and family. Come to the school kitchen after lessons on Wednesdays, okay? Fijaos aquí el club de cocina cuando se reúne, right? So now we are going to move to this page. And here, what you have to do is to look again at that page in the class book, on page 68, the one we have just read, and read again and put a tick. Which club meets on Thursdays? Which club meets on Fridays? In which club do you need sports clothes? Which club meets in the school kitchen? Which club meets in the dining room? In which club can you learn about food? So you have to put a tick in the correct club, all right? And then in activity 2, you have to circle the pictures for the clubs you like. Do you like this club? 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 So you have to circle the club you like, okay? You may like the 4 of them, o puede que os gusten los 4. If you like the 4 of them, then circle the 4 clubs. If not, just circle the ones you like, all right? And then you are going to complete this chart. Complete information for your club. You have to invent a club. Os tenéis que inventar un club. And you have to give your club a name. Le tenéis que dar un nombre. Ponerle un nombre chuli. Un nombre divertido. Where does it meet? ¿Dónde se reúne ese club? At home? At school? In the park? Where? What day does it meet? ¿Qué día se reúne este club? What can you learn about? ¿Qué puedes aprender? Can you learn cooking? Can you learn a language? Can you learn playing a sport? What can you learn? And what do you bring? Do you need something? ¿Necesitáis algo para este club? Maybe sports clothes or material, different material. Y aquí ponéis lo que se necesita para ese club. Imaginaos que nos inventamos un club de danza. Pues le damos un nombre divertido aquí, ponemos aquí dónde nos encontramos, pues por ejemplo en el gimnasio del cole o en el cole simplemente. ¿Cuándo nos encontramos? Decide el día de la semana que elijáis. ¿Qué podemos aprender? We can learn dancing. Podemos aprender a bailar. What do you bring? You have to bring sports clothes. Pues llevamos ropa de deporte. ¿Vale? Pues eso es lo que tenéis que hacer. Ok, this is what you have to do on Tuesday. Ok? On Tuesday you have to do these activities here on Tuesday. You can do it on Tuesday and let me see, Tuesday and Wednesday. On Tuesday and Wednesday. So do not send me the task on Tuesday. Send it to me on Wednesday. Lo que os digo es que tenéis estas 3 actividades para 2 días. Para el martes, que os toca inglés, y para el miércoles, que también os toca. ¿Vale? La dividís. Podéis hacer, por ejemplo, una el martes o las 2 primeras el martes y luego esta que es un poquito más de pensar y os puede llevar más tiempo, la dejáis para el miércoles. Is it clear? So these 3 activities, numbers 1, 2 and 3 must be sent on Wednesday. Las tenéis que enviar el miércoles. No me la enviéis el martes porque os doy 2 días para hacerla. ¿Vale? Okay, so this is all for today. I say goodbye and I'll send you another video very, very soon. Okay? Bye bye, kids. Take care. I miss you. I love you.